Today we got a video from Unpopular, and the title of the video is Wanted Mom Overstays Her Welcome and Gets an Unexpected Police Visit.
I have nowhere to go.
Don't involve the kids.
They need the truth.
That's not the truth.
Stop. Hey, calm down. And you're not taking a kiss from me. No, I got a shelter. Hey, there's a shelter across the street.
On February 6th, 2024, officers responded to a hotel following a report of a woman overstaying her stay and being trespassed from the location while also being served with a warrant.
Well, he hasn't come out yet. We can go knock on the door. Should come out.
Hi.
What's going on?
How's it going?
I'm alright. I was just getting. I checked in overnight. At least we thought we checked. But he took me down there. We took me down there because I'm right in the process of moving to my apartment tomorrow.
Okay.
So we went down there at like 5:13 and said, he's like, well, because I wasn't sure if I was going to stay overnight. And I was told by 5 of the thing I was told, the new thing was over the weekend, they told me this on Friday, if you're going to stay the night, you got to go down there by 5 o'clock and you tell them that. And they say, okay. And so then it's supposed to be on some type of list. And so I've been in here all night because the dog had to go potty. So I walked out with him, took the dog potty, and he walked that way, and I was just walking out, letting her go potty for a minute. And then I came straight up here and went here. And then I was getting my stuff packed and, getting ready for our, because I just got a storage unit. You get the kids in bath. Yeah.
Okay. Where are your kids at?
Oh, yeah.
They're all in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to something for your mom?
I mean, in a second we probably will. So this is kind of where we're at. So the staff here, they're wanting you trespassed.
Why?
Just because I guess they've had some issues since you. I'm not entirely sure. They just want us to lock you up, basically.
But
we can grab your stuff, but we got to get you out of here. Okay.
But where am I supposed to go in the morning?
What was that?
Where am I supposed to go at 2 o'clock in the morning? I can't have my kids out on the street. I literally did not do anything wrong. Did you see me doing anything wrong out there?
I'm not the one who called PD on you.
Who called who? I don't understand.
Talk to one of you guys.
I'm a little lost.
So, what about, because of the kids, what about if we trespass her with telling her that, hey, if it's up to you guys, let her stay at least till morning hours, that way she has somewhere to go, or things are open for her to go and have her kids go somewhere with her, and then she comes back, past that, she goes to jail, basically. Are you guys okay with that, or?
You want me to give a call to staff really quickly and just get them on the same?
If not, we'll just walk her out. So.
And he gave me a pass. He says, I have a big policy that if you're going to stay tonight, he goes, make sure you come down here, make sure the person check you in for your overnight. It's called an overnight password. And so I follow the rules all weekend at 8 o'clock in the morning. That's the next day you're supposed to come down there. If you're leaving, you leave. Or you say, hey, I'm still here, and then they give you the different color bracelet.
Okay, so what does this overnight pass look like? Is it like, it's a bracelet?
So you get checked in with a regular bracelet, right? Okay. And at 5 o'clock, that's the same color, but you go down there, you say, and whoever you're with goes down to say, she's staying night. Because it was already 5:15, and I wasn't sure exactly, because I was at time schedule wise, so I was like, well, it might be possible, I might tonight, I wasn't sure. Tomorrow is what we're going to be doing everything. He was just like, I was like, so I want to be on the safe side. I'm going to do overnight, okay? I'm like, you sure no problem? And I did it all weekend long. I double checked everything. And when I went down there, like, there's supposed to be some paper. And they're like, well, we don't have the paper.
Yeah, but even by her story, she's in the wrong, because she was saying that if you go down there by 5 p.m., they could get you an extended stay or whatever the case may be. She says that she showed up down there at 5:13. So even by your own story, you didn't get an extended stay. Come on, man. This don't make no sense.
Casey said, sorry, he has to go up straight. It's paper thing, man. It's like almost like a list or something. I don't know. But you're fine. So I made sure that I did it over
so
the weekend,
much.
Just to kind of get in the habit so they could see that I was following the rules. And then 8 o'clock in the morning, I went down there and said, I'm still here. Checked in, it was no problem. And so, yeah.
Who'd you check in with then?
I was checked in at Redis, and then today I checked in with him.
Okay. And was it Casey, the one that you checked in with both times?
Casey was here on Friday, because that was the whole weekend.
Okay.
But then I don't know who, I don't remember the exact staff that's here Saturday and Sunday, because they're different staff.
Yeah.
But I think that I'm not in trouble, I didn't cause any problems. I've stayed at a residence there, I've been there for 3 months. Okay, and I've been working on getting an apartment. I have a couple of friends that live here that were helping me try to get a storage unit. I have a court-approved babysitter, because I won't just take my kids to anybody. And so there's just a certain resident here, there's a friend of mine, which was over there, that, so if I need a babysitter, someone to leave the kids with, so I can get things done, that's good, okay.
They want her gone.
Unfortunately, since staff and
That's kind of odd.
Okay, sounds good.
I took my dog out, we took the dog out at 1 o'clock. I told him I took the dog out, and when I took the dog out, I ran into one of their little friends, and I said, okay, see if your mom's here, you know. And so we took the dog out potty, and then we came this way into the lobby. I sat down for a minute. I checked my messages on my phone, this Wi-Fi, by the vending machines. And so I sat there probably for about,
It's okay. You're okay.
it's okay, but I'm gonna have to I'll help you adjust. I sat by the vending machine for like 20 minutes, and I had the kids with me, and I had my friend's daughter with me, and we went this way, took the dog out, went over there, sat on that little thing by the vending machines for maybe 20, 25 minutes. You know, because I was checking my emails and stuff like that, you know, because I had for tomorrow. Because tomorrow we're moving my stuff that's here into the storage unit, and I'm going to over there get the rest of our things to take to the storage unit.
Okay.
And then I got 2 responses from the apartment, so it was kind of been a good day. And so I was a little legit, and so if there was a problem, I would have assumed they would have talked to me about it then.
Yeah, so they want you trespassed. I just talked to them too, and you have to pack up and leave. So.
But do you know why, or what the cause is?
They have the reason. They don't have to have a reason basically to trespass anybody. So
Okay.
I guess you've caused problems here.
No.
So they want you gone.
But at 11 o'clock,
I understand it. We can't. We don't have any way of saying yes, you can
working?
stay or anything like that. What's that?
who is it that's working? What staff is working?
Shay and Vera downstairs.
Who?
Shay and Vera.
I literally haven't
The
seen them.
establishment wants you trespass, so we have to go off that. So
Okay,
we
but I've
need
got
to
to
pack
get.
up and. So we'll wait here if you want to get the kids ready and stuff like that. Can you have Brad come out and talk to us while you're doing that? You
So
switch
I-
spots with him.
So I gotta get the dog ready, and I'm having to clean clothes for them, and all my
I
stuff
understand that.
everywhere.
We
So
don't
can I
have-
leave some of my stuff here and then get
And
it?
it's up to Brad if he wants you to leave your stuff here. That's fine. Yeah.
So I just know
We just have to have-
trespass, so you wouldn't be able to come back and get it.
Well, who did I talk to about that? Because I just can't take all the stuff through the morning. I have nowhere to go.
You'd have to talk that with management.
I mean, I can't just go hop on a bus that doesn't exist. Now, I would understand
You
if I
said-
was causing problems. I'll get dressed, and I would like a chance to talk to the officer.
Who is you said that was allowed to watch your kids? You said there was somebody in court ordered allowed to watch your kids. Is that right?
That's who I drop them off to. Usually I go,
Where are
usually I
they?
drop them off at Brenda's. That's if I need to visit, but I'm not going to leave them there alone overnight.
Well, I'd rather them be with somebody they're allowed to be with than in the cold.
Well, I'm not.
I mean, you're an adult, so you can make.
Yeah, cause now I'm looking at the clock in the corner, and it's 2 in the morning. Damn. Yeah, they want her gone expeditiously. Like, nah, but they should have called way earlier though. Like that's come on, man.
Decisions, but they're kids.
Well, I know I'm gonna have to try to see if I can call some people or something like that, but I'm not gonna leave them there overnight. Overnight by themselves.
All right. Well, can you swap places with Brad and have him come outside while you're doing that?
So guys,
Thank you.
they're trying to say that we caused trouble, but we didn't.
Well, don't involve the kids. They don't. They don't. I know.
Yeah, that's great. Like, come on. You don't tell the kids, like, come on. Kids stay in a kid's place. They don't need to know information like that. They could clearly overhear and everything, but you don't do that as a parent, man.
But they don't know. What,
They need the truth.
That's not the truth.
That is the truth. We didn't cause you trouble.
We don't know what the issue is.
So if
we're
you
just
can't tell
telling you.
me that I did something wrong, I didn't. So I'll tell my kids what I feel.
Okay.
You can't
sure.
tell me what to say.
Okay. Well, we need to pack up.
Well, that's what I'm doing.
Have Brad come outside.
She uses her kids.
I could tell. Yeah.
She has left her kids with Brenda for days before.
So was she? Okay. I wonder why she's carrying it.
Yeah. What's going on, man?
Sorry, guys. I didn't know it was like this.
That's fine.
That's okay. What's your first name? Brad?
Yeah.
Okay. You know you have some warrants, right?
Yes, sir, I do.
We got to take care of those.
I talked to pre-trial earlier this week, and we're getting me in there to do a pre-screening. next week.
What is that?
Where they go through and they take all the
No,
information.
I know what it is. Yeah.
And then to schedule self-surrender court.
Self-surrender court.
At court, self-surrender.
Oh.
So I'll go in and get for pre-trial first.
Okay.
And then they'll take me in, they'll schedule a court date and do self-surrender right there.
Okay, so when do you have that all set up?
It's supposed to be early next week is all I really know so far.
And which judge are you working with on that?
I'm not certain, I think it's Reese. So I'm sure there's going to be a few different ones in the bill. You know, you start with one and we'll go through a few others, you know, until you get to your sentencing judge. So.
How long has she been staying here with you for?
Just last night and tonight.
Just last night.
And she's supposed to be leaving tomorrow.
Okay.
Well, she's got to leave now.
Okay.
So.
Yeah.
Can the kids spend the night?
It was up to her.
Yeah,
Okay.
she. Yeah.
We checked in. I mean, we did. So.
Well, and the thing is she's being trespassed from here as well. So I mean, she
I didn't know that part.
Yeah. Well, we just barely notified her now.
Okay.
So I mean, if she left her kids here, there'd have to be some type of arrangement where we can get her kids back to
I
her.
would take them where they're ready to go.
That's what I'm just saying. Just letting you know if that's what arrangement you guys wind up making.
Okay.
Give me 1 second. Let me talk to my partner. Give me 1 second.
I appreciate that.
Do you mind grabbing her and having her come out?
I really want to talk to you.
Just turn it, buddy. He locked into the bathroom. You know how to lock it? It's here. You know, lock it, lock it, lock it.
Yeah, is there a hole in the middle of it?
Dad, listen to me. Listen to me. Calm the door. Stop. Hey, calm down. Push and push and turn.
I'll do it. You gotta go through the hole.
Mama, this fool.
Can I go in there while she?
Yeah. So.
I'm just doing it.
They want it.
You got permission not to mess. You sure you got
Hold on, buddy.
He went to the car. He locked himself in the bathroom.
Okay, that's fine. So what could the plan be for your kids? Like, are they able to stay here?
They're staying with me. You're not taking. My kids aren't going anywhere but with me.
Well,
I'm not going to be outside in the cold. I know.
This ad is presented by yours truly. I just want to let you know that I love you and I appreciate you for supporting this YouTube channel. I also want to let you know that for exclusive drops and early releases, go to patreon.com/ShyGotEm. That's patreon.com/ShyGotEm. The link is also in the description section. Let's get back to the video.
They're staying with me. You're not taking. My kids aren't going anywhere but with me.
well,
I'm not going to be outside in the cold. I know
No,
there's some shelters. So I'm going to keep them off.
Okay, so you can't just have them being in the cold with you.
I'm not going to be out.
Door's open.
Okay, but legal is your mind, and you're not taking my kids from me.
We're not taking your kids. We're trying to figure out a
Okay,
plan
but-
for them.
I will figure out
Because
that
you
plan.
have to be trespassed.
Okay, but-
We're not saying the
okay,
kids.
but-
Stop talking over me.
I just need
okay?
to-
You need
Stop
to stop talking and let him finish. You
I
are not
don't
doing
touch me. I'm not doing it.
Yeah, you're going to
That was my
jail.
shoulder.
Stop.
No, okay, I'm
Stop.
fine.
Stop.
Hey,
Stop.
listen to me.
He's going to jail.
No, I got
Take
a
the kids
shelter.
back inside.
Hey, there's a shelter across the street.
Take the kids back inside.
No, listen. Ow,
Stop
Hey,
moving.
Stop
Hey,
tensing
the
up.
shoulder's dislocated.
Okay, then stop moving.
I'm trying to. There's a shelter across the street. I'm going to take them to. It's called the Blue Shelter across the street. Can we just talk to them, please?
We tried. You won't let us talk. We're trying to figure something out.
Because I don't understand what I did wrong.
You have warrants for your arrest.
Can we turn around and talk to you?
Roll in a sec.
My shoulder's already
You
dislocated.
double lock these.
This shoulder is dislocated.
This one? Okay, you will loosen it.
I don't understand. I didn't do anything wrong. I really didn't wrong. There's a concert here tonight.
You have some more things you need to check.
This is my kid.
So, are they able to stay here with him?
Oh, please don't look at my kid.
I'm asking you this question.
I'm supposed to
Can
go to
they stay
Austin to the shelter tomorrow.
Can they stay here with them?
I don't know. Can I?
He said they could stay with him.
Wait, can you hurt my shoulder? Please, honey. Sorry.
Then stop turning towards me. I'm holding your arm face that way. We could talk without without you looking me in the face.
Oh, sorry.
You're doing that. You're causing the pain yourself. Literally, I'm just. You're turning towards me.
So when you came and talked to Mr. Woods,
Okay.
The woman was charged with CA, operating a vehicle without insurance, failure to register or expired vehicle registration, taillight violation, and driving on a denied license.
You can't make this stuff up. They was gonna take her regardless, but yeah, you could tell they were just trying to figure out a situation for the kids. But she don't care about them kids, man. I'm sorry, she don't care about them kids. She leave her kids for hours or days. That's what the security guard staff was saying and everything. Like, she don't care about them kids. and then she tells the kids grown up business, and that's bad because now the kids are gonna grow up with a certain impression of police, and it's gonna be a revolving cycle. Like, she's not putting those kids in the best situation for them to actually succeed. And you know, it's not the child's fault. You know, children don't pick their parents pick them, you know, and unfortunately they were born into that environment, and it's sad, man. But anyway, I think the officers did a pretty good job, man. I'm giving a 4 out of 5 from me. You know, let me know how well you think the officers did. Now, you know what? I'm gonna give them 5 out of 5. I get officers 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know how well you think they did in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.